To register access tags or cards in the SUL panels, first you must open the panel removing the screws located at the bottom of it. Once opened, proceed to unscrew the illumination panel of the card holder of the panel which contains the reader, to access the programming button located next to the blue potentiometer. Press the programming button on the panel will emit 6 short tones, making the user aware that the panel is entering into the access tags programming mode. Present the yellow tag in front of the reader to set it as programming tag. Once the yellow tag has been present, the panel will emit a confirmation acoustic tone. Then, present the blue tag to program it as registered tag. The panel will emit a long confirmation acoustic tone. At this moment, you can close the panel. Once the panel is closed, present the blue tag configured as registration tag to the panel. It will make 4 short acoustic tones to inform the user that it has entered in the user tag registration mode. Now, you can follow presenting to the panel the gray tags to configure them as user tags. You will be able to configure up to 60 access tags or cards. After 10 seconds from the presentation to the panel of the last tag or card, the panel will emit a long acoustic tone informing the user that has left the access tags programming mode. Presenting any of the user access tags or cards previously configured, you will be able to open the door. To delete the user tags or cards registered, present the yellow programming tag and then swipe any of the user tags or cards registered on the panel. A long acoustic tone will confirm that all the user tags or cards have been deleted from the panel. You want to delete all the tags registered on the panel, including the registration blue tag and the programming yellow tag. You must open again the panel and press the programming button. The panel will emit 6 short acoustic tones, after waiting for 10 seconds without presenting any tag or card. The panel will emit a long acoustic tone confirming the deletion of all the registered tags or cards.